Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the issue when an app is not opening on Windows. This problem can occur due to compatibility issues, system glitches, or corrupted system files, but you can fix it quickly by following these simple steps. Firstly, click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings to open the system settings. From the left panel, click on System, then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. After that, click on Other Troubleshooters to see all the available troubleshooting options. Now scroll down and try to find Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Once you find it, click on the Run option next to it. Windows will start scanning the selected app and will automatically detect any compatibility issues. After the scan is completed, it will show you the detected problem along with the recommended solution. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to apply the fix. If the issue is still not fixed, don't worry. Again, go back to Settings, click on System, and scroll down to select Recovery. In the Recovery section, you will see the option Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. This process reinstalls Windows system files using Windows Update without deleting your personal data, which helps fix deeper system issues that may be preventing apps from opening. Once the process is completed, restart your PC to apply all the changes properly. After the restart, try opening the app again, and it should work without any problem. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.